Hello student, today we are start our next terpenoid is the abatic acid. Occurrence of abatic acid. Abatic acid is the primary component of the resin acid, is the primary irritant in the pine wood. The major source of the abatic acid is the resin acid which is present in the pine wood. The resin acid refer to a mixture of several related carboxylic acid, primarily abatic acid found in the tree resin. Nearly all resin acid have the same basic skeleton, 3 fuse ring having the empirical formula C19H29COOH. Some examples: all the resin acid having the same basic skeleton, that 3 fuse ring are there, they having a same empirical formula is C19H29COOH. These all structures can isomerize into the one another. Next point is resin acid are tricky yellowish gum that are water insoluble. Last point is they are used to produce the soap for diverse application. This is the structure of abatic acid, present in 2 double bond and 1 acidic group. The next point is the structure determination and evaluation of the abatic acid. The molecular formula of abatic acid is C20H30O2. In abatic acid contain 20 number of carbon atom. It means that the 4 isoprene unit present and it is may join to head to tail linkage. It contain 4 isoprene unit, so it belong to the diterpenoid class of terpenoids. The next point is the nature of oxygen. When abatic acid gives the effervescence of CO2 with sodium bicarbonate, this reaction shows that the abatic acid contains the carboxylic group. In abatic acid is the difficult to esterification, therefore it may be tertiary carboxylic acid. Then third reaction is the abatic acid evolves the carbon monoxide with concentrated H2SO4, therefore it may be tertiary carboxylic acid. So on the basis of these 3 reactions, we now prove that the abatic acid is a carboxylic acid and more specifically is tertiary carboxylic acid. When abatic acid, the next point is the analysis of unsaturation. Then abatic acid add on 2 moles of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst to form the perhydroabatic acid. This reaction shows that the abatic acid contains 2 double bond because it contains 2 moles of hydrogen atom. It contains 2 moles of hydrogen atom, then abatic acid contains the 2 double bond. Then next point is the presence of phenanthrene skeleton. The dehydrogenation of abatic acid with sulfur or the selenium gives a phenanthrene derivative C18H18. This is known as the retin. On the basis of oxidative degradation in 1910, retin was shown to be a 1-methyl-7-isopropyl phenanthrene. On the basis of oxidative degradation in 1910, the retin was shown to be a 1-methyl-7-isopropyl phenanthrene. The structure of the retin is proved by the oxidative degradation of this sequence. When written, that means 1-methyl 7-isopropylphenanthrene. On oxidation, it gives the 1,2-diketone, that is retiquinone. Then further, the retiquinone undergo the benzylic acid rearrangement in the presence of KOH, followed by the decarboxylation. It gives the fluorenone. Fluorenone. It gives the fluorenone derivative, and fluorenone derivative react with the KOH. It gives the tricarboxylic acid. This is the tricarboxylic acid. Then another proof, the structure of retin molecule is synthesized by the Haworth method. So the synthesis of the retin can accomplished by the naphthalene. The naphthalene is subjected to the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and because of the isopropyl group, beta position alkylation is occur. This is the beta position alkylation is occur. Then succinic anhydride AlCl3, it undergo the Friedel-Crafts acylation. The reaction, we get a keto acid. This keto acid is esterified. This is treated with only 1-methyl magnesium bromide and gives introduced to the methyl group. This methyl group is introduced. Later on, a hydrolysis with alkali and COOH group is free here, and double bond is reduced, and this double bond is reduced and form this compound. Then another Friedel-Crafts reaction occur, and we get the tetron derivative. This tetron derivative is subjected to the Clemmensen reduction and form a compound of retin molecule. Retin molecule is one of the compound of abitic acid.